You got Tannerite down in that dishwasher.
I'm out of the picture, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's an AK ball right there.
Let's go see the damage.
That has some fun to it.
Yeah, that's some base. There's pieces all the way over there. I think it killed your box, Chris. Oh, not quite. Just knocked it over. Dude, there's pieces all the way over there.
Well, I think we got broken down for smaller pieces.
That dishwasher ain't working no more. I think it's shattered. It's devastated. I don't even see that jar anywhere. Yeah, it had Tannerite in it.
Oh.
It's gone. There ain't nothing left.
We're just making the dishwasher smaller. Stuff it in the dumpster.
Can't see the smoke cloud?